Annotation Bank lets you save almost all types of annotations to use again and again. To save text, voice, and video comments, just click the button and click Confirm. To access saved text comments, start typing the first few letters that fits the saved comment, and Cami will show you options. For voice and video comments, you'll get to name your annotation for easy access when you need them. To save equations, shapes, drawings, and added media, hover over the annotation with the Select tool, then click the button to save. You can access all your saved annotations from the sidebar. Just drag and drop. To keep things organized, create folders and start adding your saved annotations. You can always edit, rearrange, and delete what you've saved using these controls. Quick tip: if you delete any saved annotations, you'll have 1 hour to reverse this action before they're permanently deleted.